Meaning of hotlist.
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 Hotlist. The term hotlist generally refers to a list of items or individuals that are considered to be of high importance or interest. It could be a list of popular products, trending topics on social media, or even a list of suspects in a criminal investigation. Typically, a hotlist is used to highlight items or individuals that require immediate attention or action. The purpose of a hotlist is to ensure that important items or individuals are prioritized and dealt with promptly, thus preventing any potential negative consequences that may arise from delay or neglect.